Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make pizza garlic sauce. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need fresh garlic, olive oil, butter, and a few seasonings. This sauce comes together quickly and adds incredible flavor to your pizza. It's a fantastic alternative to traditional tomato sauce or a wonderful addition for extra zest. Get ready to transform your pizza night with this easy and aromatic recipe. To begin, finely mince about 4 cloves of fresh garlic. The fresher the garlic, the more potent and delicious your sauce will be. Next, measure out 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. This forms the base of our sauce. Finally, have 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter ready. This combination creates a wonderfully smooth and aromatic foundation for your pizza garlic sauce. Now let's cook our sauce. In a small saucepan, melt the butter with the olive oil over medium-low heat. Add your minced garlic and sauté gently for about 1 to 2 minutes. You want the garlic to become fragrant and soft, but not browned, as this can make it bitter. Stir in 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of black pepper. Keep the heat low to infuse the flavors perfectly. Once your pizza is baked, generously drizzle the warm garlic sauce over the top. It adds a fantastic aroma and a burst of flavor to every slice. This sauce is also great as a dipping sauce for breadsticks or a spread for sandwiches. If you have any leftover, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. For other great kitchen deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the link in the description below. Enjoy your delicious homemade pizza.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.